Hey everyone, welcome back to Artland. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am really excited for the new King Kong vs. Godzilla movie. And I know we're still waiting for an official trailer and everything, and there's lots of speculation on what's going to happen, how it's going to go down. Well, for today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys something that's been requested a lot, and that is Godzilla vs. Kong with Kong's new axe. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today, and if you're liking these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can always find out whenever we post a new video here at Artland. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with Godzilla's eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to curve up and down like this. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go down and then up. I'll add a couple little curved lines underneath it too. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down. And I'll add a couple little more right around here for some texture. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to curve in, and I'm just going to kind of repeat this texture pattern all the way down here, just to kind of show that he's got a lot of kind of scaly patterns on there. Make a little line right here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come over, and then it's going to go down like this. I'll add a little curved line here, and then one right here, just kind of show where his nose is going to be. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down. It's going to go up and then down like this for his mouth. Next, we'll make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up like this. Make a little line that's going to go down and around for his lips. And then I'll make a little line that's going to go down and it's going to curve up here for his jaw. And then we'll curve this line off to finish off the jaw. I'll make a little line right here for that part of his mouth, and then I want to add the teeth. I'll start here with a nice big fang, and then I'll add some smaller ones behind it, and then another big one right there. I'll add some more teeth to fill up his mouth. Right here, I'm going to add a big fang here, and then a few more with another one here. And then a few more teeth right here. Right here, I'll add a little line that's going to curve down, and then one more it's going to curve down and then come back. And then a few more here. Make a little line that's going to come down here, and then you want to add some more teeth on this side. Starting here, I'm going to add just a few curved lines right along here just to kind of show where his neck is kind of moving. Then I'm going to add a line that's going to come down to here. Add a few more, and then we're just going to go right off to here. Then starting right back here, I'm going to add just a few kind of little spikes. They're going to slowly get bigger and bigger as they move up, or I should say move down the body. I'll even add one more up here. Now here's our basic shape of Godzilla. Now we want to come in here and work on Kong. I'll begin right here by drawing a little line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around for an eyebrow. I'll add a little line here and then another one over here that goes up and down. A little curved line right here for an eye, and then another one right over here for another eye. For his nose, make a line that goes up. It's going to curve around like this, and then one over here it's going to go down and then curve around. Make a little line that's going to curve down, and it's going to come back around like this. I'll bring these lines up too, just for the nostrils. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and we'll curve all the way down to here.
Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, bring it all the way around here, and then we'll come all the way to here and then connect. I'll make one tooth right here, a few smaller ones inside, and then another big fang. Down here, I'm going to make another little tooth like this, some smaller teeth, and then another big one. I'll bring this line up and then another one right here to finish off the mouth. Next, you'll just add a little line that's going to curve down here with a little line down the center for the tongue. Over here, we'll make a line that's going to curve up and then around. I'll do the same thing over here for the other part of the eyebrow. Next, right here, we'll make a line that's going to curve out and then down. Also over here too. I'm going to add a few little lines right underneath the eye just for a little bit of texture. And a couple little lines right here just to show where the nose is. Starting here, we want to make the top of his head. So I'm going to make some lines that come back here. I'm adding little tiny points onto these just to make him look like he's really furry. Right when I get to here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around for his ear, and then a little squiggly line inside for some detail. As I bring this line down, I'm going to do the same thing with those little points. And I also am going to make this come right down here because he's supposed to have this kind of new old kind of beard in this movie. So I'm just going to give him a little bit of detail there to show where his beard would be. I'm also going to make some little lines over here to show the other side of his face. Now a little line that goes up and down for that part of the ear. Starting here, I'm going to make some little lines that are just going to go down, and then I'm going to curve them around and bring them to here, just to kind of show where his arm would be, kind of going behind Godzilla. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, I'm going to go down, it's going to curve around, and then up for his chest. I'm going to put another one that goes down and then up like this. Right here, we'll make a line that goes out. I'm going to go down, and I'm going to curve around to here. I'll do one more right to here, and we're going to go down over to there. I'm also going to add some little lines right in here just to kind of show where his body, how it's kind of moving. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes down. I'm going to make another line that's just going to go up and down like this. And then one more, it's going to go out and it's going to come down to here. And I want to make it look like he's holding this axe. So I'm going to start here. We're going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to curve around and then it's going to come right to here. I'm going to make this line go down. I'm going to bring this line over and then one right here too. I'll make another one that goes up. It's going to travel around the same way to here. One more here, and then finally one right there. I'll also make a line that goes down. It's going to curve around here for the thumb, and then connect to there. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around here, right around here, and then connect. And then I'm going to come down to here for the top part of the axe. I'm going to jump down here, bring it to here, and then same thing here, make it get a little bit smaller. Starting here, I'm going to add some little lines that are just going to go down and up. But it's supposed to kind of look like this might be one of Godzilla's spikes, so I'm just going to add some different little points on there. And then some little points coming out here as well. And add a little line up here, and I'm going to make a little line down here just to kind of show where his arm is. I'm going to bring some lines down here just to kind of show where his body's moving. And right here I'm going to make a line that goes out and then down just to kind of show where his leg would be. Make a little line right down here too. So right now we have our basic shape of our Kong versus Godzilla, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to erase all my pencil lines really quickly. Okay, once I'm done with that, then it's time to come in here and add some of the different details. First thing I need to do is definitely connect this part of the arm right there. Now let's start with Godzilla. So some of the different things we can add is I'm going to add a couple little lines. We're just going to go up and down here just to show some different details on him. I want to make these little lines right around the top and bottom of his mouth, just kind of show where the lips might be. I'm going to add just a few little broken lines right along here, and then a few more for his neck. Add a couple more little detailed lines coming right down here, and a couple more little lines over here. A couple little curved lines on here. We'll make some long broken lines down here, and then some lines are just going to follow this pattern just to show some detail. I'll bring these lines down as well just to show a little bit more texture. I'm going to connect them with some long lines like this. I'll add a few more little lines in here. And just a couple more right along here, and even some lines right along his big spikes back here. But now for Kong, he's not going to have too many. I'm just going to add a few more little lines right around here and by his eyes. A couple more little lines right around just his body, and maybe some little lines for his lips. I'll add a few kind of extra lines in some spots just to show where I might want some of the hair to be a little bit more present. We'll add some quick little broken lines right along here just to kind of show where there's a different texture part there. Add some more quick little lines here for some fur. A little bit along his arms as well. I'm going to put some long broken lines onto his axe here. And then definitely some nice long detailed lines inside of here just to make this look like a Godzilla spike. I'll add some little lines on here to show where his knuckles would be. A little line for his fingernail. Same over here, just some little lines for his knuckle and on his fingers. We'll add a few more little texture fur lines right around his body here. A few more in some different spots here. A little line by his ear, a couple more right around his face. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla vs. Kong while Kong is holding his axe. Now, if you guys are liking these videos, keep sending me ideas. I love trying to draw some of the different things you guys come up with. And please let me know what you want to see. I can't always get to them, but I'll always try my best. If you're liking these videos, make sure that you turn on notifications and you hit the subscribe button. Now, my next step is I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.